Hi guys, it is Cal, and for today's video, I filmed a makeup tutorial. We are doing an editorial monochromatic makeup look. I kind of was chit-chatty throughout the video, so I could say this is a chit-chat. To do the monochromatic look, I used all 3 products from the Nars Orgasm collection. I posted a photo on my Instagram using all 3 of these products because I've done this makeup tutorial before, and a lot of you guys requested this for a tutorial, so here we are. I'm so excited to get into it. I'm so happy with how it turned out for the 4th or 5th time I've done this look. If you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, it's just at Kallie Kaiser. But without further ado, here we go. So obviously, the first product that we will always be using is a primer. So to start this look, we're taking this magnificent primer. I actually am obsessed with this primer. It's the Vitamin Rich Face Base from Bobbi Brown. I live for this. I apply it with my fingers. I used to apply stuff with a brush and then my fingers, and I'd switch back and forth, and I wouldn't know what I loved more. Do you guys do the same thing? Oh my god, I do not use that much. Okay. Whenever I'm babbling while doing something, I always end up wasting more product. Okay, so rub-a-dub-dub. I always start at the high points of my face and work it into my skin. I have super sensitive skin, so that's gonna make my face be a tomato. Okay, once our skin is all hydrated and primed, feeling fresh and clean, we're going to put makeup on top of it. Lately, the pores on my face have been getting larger. I don't know why. Could be because I'm aging, birth control. There are so many different reasons, but not anymore if I add Pore Professional. So wherever you have big pores, just add some Pore Professional, but normally my pores don't bother me. I could care less. The foundation I am using today is the Too Faced Born This Way Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. I use the shade Swan. I love this stuff. It matches my skin tone perfectly, which my entire life I've been this porcelain, this pale. I've had the hardest time finding foundations to match my skin tone, where I don't look like a cake face, and you can see the shade difference between my neck and face, which just within the past year I've had an easier time because brands like Too Faced have been coming out with more of a shade range, which I think is so amazing. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while, like updated you on my life, who I am, how I've grown, stuff like that. Which is so funny because in the YouTube community, I love how intimate people are. Not intimate sexually, I mean just like how personal and real and like communicative people are. I haven't ever said communicative before, have I? But I don't know, I turned 22 August 13th, which is really exciting. But I'm just kind of feeling like weird. Which doesn't everyone feel that way? Like everyone's kind of lost feeling. And I don't necessarily mean it in like a negative way. I'm kind of just chilling out right now. I have certain months where I become an introvert and then I'll randomly get passion or motivation, and I love when that happens, but I just haven't been feeling that a lot lately, and I don't know. But I do know that I like this foundation. I know I look crazy right now because it's covering my lips, and you guys probably aren't used to seeing me in full coverage makeup. I am brushing out my brows and adding chapstick. I love this. This is just the EOS Deep Hydration Lip Mask. Okay, next product, I'm taking the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I believe this is one of their new products. I am in love. I use the shade Swan as well. And since this can conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch, I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes. And a little does go a long way, especially if you're not like into medium and full coverage looks and you just want your under eye to be light. You guys can see how easy this is to blend in, and look how amazing it already looks. So we're just putting some of this on, whatever's left over. I like to put on my eyelid. Okay, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury just skin perfecting powder on a Morphe M581 brush. And I set my eyelids with this so it doesn't crease with whatever foundation or concealer I blend it into my eyelids with. I just dab it under my eyes. This is the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in the shade Amber, and I feel like I don't really need to explain how to do this. I have this Hoola Quickie Contour Stick from Benefit. Oh no, I hate when stuff gets attached to the top. I'm just adding some of this for warmth. And this is great. To blend it out, I kind of hold my hairline. And we just do that. Okay, once we blend everything out, just kidding, we have this left. Eyebrows! Okay, time for eyebrows. I'm taking my Dior Brow Styler in the shade Universal Brown. And I have been filling my eyebrows in every single day. I don't do it in a particular way. I just kind of fill in light little lines. Hi, I moved you guys closer so that you guys can get kind of a better view of what I'm doing to my face. So, for the start of our eyeshadow, I'm just going to be taking the shade Lucy in this Urban Decay Daydream palette. And this is, I didn't even know there was a brush in there. This is just a Sephora Collection eyeshadow brush. I just want it to be really easy to blend the shimmer eyeshadow that we're putting all over our eye. To start the monochromatic look, I'm taking my Nars Orgasm blush and I'm using it on my cheeks and as eyeshadow. I love the entire collection. They came out with an entire Orgasm collection of 3 or 4 products, I believe. I'm just dipping my Sephora Collection tapered blending brush into the blush. And I'm gonna do my OG halo effect, where I only put on the outer corner and inner corner, and then another product, a part of the collection, is like their gorgeous highlighter illuminating powder, and I'm just gonna put that in the middle. Okay, here's the next product in the Orgasm collection that they came out with that I'm going to be using. It is the illuminating powder, and my dad's mowing the lawn. Oh, darn it. Do I need to take these to the dry cleaners now? Are we ready? It's just super pretty. I love that it barely has any fallout too, which I notice a lot when I'm using it. Okay, this is one of my favorite products lately. I have so many different shades because Bobbi Brown sent this to me, but it's their Longwear Sparkle Stick. It just looks like this. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So I'm using the pink one. It's called Aurora Pink. I add this to my inner corner and like a little on the lid. Taking my blush and my Chanel powder brush, I'm going to be putting this all over my face. Just kidding. But I will be putting it there, on the apples of my cheeks and up. For highlight, I'm going back in with that illuminating powder. Now for mascara, I'm taking my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This packaging is the best packaging for mascara I've ever used in my life. We are just... I can't even talk when I do this. And then I take my spoolie And then whatever's left over on the spoolie, I put it on the bottom lash. Recycle. I love this mascara. I've used it before, but I freak out every time I use it. And the packaging, oh my god. Now for the lip product, this is the third product that I have from the Orgasm collection. It's just the Nars Afterglow Lip Balm. I love tinted chapsticks. That's what this one is. It's the prettiest color ever. It's so creamy too, like it glides on. I wear this every day, throw it in my purse. I love it. Too Faced setting spray. Hangover 3-in-1. Best setting spray. I love it. That stuff freaks me out, but I have to use it. But that one's my favorite one. Thank you guys so much for taking time to watch this video. I hope you really did enjoy it. And if you want to recreate this look, do it. I am obsessed with it. I've been wearing it for like 5 times now, I think. But yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day. Leave a comment down below. I'm gonna try and respond to all of them and say what's up. And if you guys want to leave a like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Love you guys.